In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite friends to Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send invitations so your friends can quickly discover and like your page, which helps grow your audience and boosts your visibility. Start by opening Facebook. Use the mobile app or a desktop browser. Either works. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page. If you haven't updated the app in a while, updating can help if you don't see the options I'm about to mention. Next, go to your page. From your Facebook home screen, navigate to the page you manage. On desktop, you'll usually find your pages in the left sidebar. On mobile, they're in the main menu. Once you're on the page, you'll see the large cover photo at the top. That's your visual cue you're in the right place. Just below the cover photo, look for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More menu. Tap or click those three dots to open additional page options. This menu houses tools you don't see at first glance, including the one we want. Choose Invite Friends. This opens Facebook's Invite panel, where you can manage who receives an invitation from your page. If the option isn't visible, double-check that you have a role like admin or editor on the page, and that you're viewing the page rather than your personal profile. Now select your Facebook friends. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find specific people. Think about inviting friends who are most likely to be interested in your page's content. Selecting people who care about your topic helps your page grow with genuine engagement. If you see filters or groups, they can speed up the process, but don't feel pressured to invite everyone at once. Quality over quantity can make a difference. When you're ready, click Send Invites. Facebook will notify the selected friends, prompting them to like your page. They'll receive a standard notification, and it's entirely up to them to accept or ignore it. If you're inviting a large number of friends, consider doing it in batches so it feels more personal and manageable. That's it. Friends will get a notification to like your page. For best results, consider having a few recent posts on your page before inviting people so they can immediately see what you're about. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page or try again on a different device. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you want to grow your audience and keep your page active so those new visitors have a reason to stick around.